Hi, my name is Jenny Kohn. I'm a fifth-generation farmer at Crist Bros Orchards in Walden, New York, here in the Hudson Valley. I farm here with my family, my parents Jeff and Joy, and my brother Joel. We farm about 550 acres of apples. We grow, store, and pack our own apples, and then we work with brokers to sell them. Farm credit has played a tremendous role in our business in farm expansion, generational transition, advice, and also financial advising and financial services. When I came home to the farm in 2010, we were going through the biggest expansion that Crist Bros has ever had. Farm credit was financing through a construction loan, a major building addition to our packing house, and helping us to purchase new packing equipment. It was a huge change for our company. All of these projects that Farm Credit has helped with have made our business stronger and given us a lot more flexibility to deal with market changes and to be ready to get the right apples onto the right truck to the right consumer. As every farmer knows, every year is variable in agriculture, and Farm Credit has always done us right by looking at the long-term trends and not making snap decisions in any particular poor situation or poor year. I do not believe that we could have done some of these projects, or at least to the extent that we did them, without Farm Credit. The rates are very competitive, and combined with the patronage dividend, Farm Credit is extremely competitive and really the best deal that we could possibly hope for on the market.